There are many variations of green chutney, but today I'll be showing you the classic and authentic version of it, which is very commonly used in India for chaats, bhels, sandwiches, or even as a dip. And guys, if you have any recipe requests for me, feel free to share in the comment section below. I'll be more than happy to share that recipe with you. So without further ado, let's get cooking. First up, in a blender, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of bundi. This is khari bundi, which is very easily available in the market. We call it Namkeen Bundi, which we use for raitas. Along with that, I'm also using 2 tablespoons of roasted chana dal. This is also easily available in the market. This we use for South Indian things. In case you don't get this, you can also use peanuts. I'm going to soak these with just 3 tablespoons of water. This will help in easy grinding. And in case you don't get any of these things, you can also use any besan, sev, namkeen or even bhujia. After about 2 to 3 minutes, I'm going to add in 6 to 8 green chilies. These are very spicier ones. A piece of ginger, 3 to 4 garlic cloves, half teaspoon of cumin seeds or zira. And then I'm adding a bunch of fresh coriander, which is nicely washed, and this I'm using with the tiny stems. These are the tender stems along with it. These are very flavorful, so don't throw them. Use them in your chutney along with some mint leaves. So in case if you don't get the mint leaves, you can make this chutney only with the fresh coriander. Then goes in 2 teaspoons of lemon juice for the tanginess. You can also add a teaspoon of dry mango powder. And then I'm adding very little water to blend everything well. So blend it. So now you can see this thick base, perfectly green colored green chutney is ready. So now I'm adding a teaspoon of regular salt. You can also use the pink salt, Himalayan salt, rock salt, whichever salt you have available. Mix, mix, mix. And that's it guys. You can see this very flavorful, perfectly green colored thick chutney is ready. If you want, you can use this as a concentrate. You can add like 2 tablespoons of this green chutney along with 2 tablespoons of fresh curd. It will give you a nice yogurt dip, or you can also add some mayonnaise to it to make a mayo green dip. Lots of things can be done from this. You can make chaats, bhels and variety of things. And you can store this in any airtight container in the fridge for about 4 to 5 days. And you can freeze this also in the freezer for about almost a month. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this very easy peasy recipe. And if yes, do give it a thumbs up. And also comment below what kind of recipe you want to watch next. I'll see you soon in the next coming video. Until next time, take care guys. Bye bye.